let's see what are the ingredients. I have taken almost 400 grams of chicken, any kind of pieces you can take. And this is the paste. It has the maximum amount of coriander leaves, which will give an awesome flavor to our chicken pakora. So it has coriander leaves, 1 green chili, an inch of ginger and some garlic. Apart from that, I have taken half a teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. That's it. Now I'll pour it into our chicken. Alright. Some amount of turmeric, salt as per your taste, and now a very important ingredient, that is mustard oil. Yes, that's it. Now we have to marinate the chicken for 1 hour. First of all, we have to mix it. We have to make a nice coating, and then we have to keep the chicken for almost 1 hour. So we are done with the marination, and I will cover it now and keep it inside the freezer for 1 hour. Alright, it's been an hour now, and you could see it has released enough water. Actually, while crushing the masalas also, you will be adding water. So this time you don't need to add any more water. What I will be doing, I'll add some onion. Actually, some people put this onion in the paste, but I like it in this way. And we have to add a spoonful of or normal all-purpose flour and corn flour. Okay, now we have to mix it nicely. As a nice coating of maida and corn flour and of course the onions, and now we will be frying it, and we will add it. You will heat the oil normally and then make it low flame. Flip the chicken, and as you can see, my oil has some more space where I can add